guys, my name is Alaysia Chantae. If you don't know, now you know, and since you know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you would like to see how I got this beautiful, warm, smoky eye for Valentine's Day, then just keep on watching. So first, of course, I'm going to be priming my lids using the Milani 2-in-1 in the color 0910. I always use this. This is nothing new. I just put it all over my lid and blend it out until it's nice and seamless and until it's dried down. The palette that I use for this look is the Juvias Place Festival palette, and the first color I'm going to use is Oro, and this is going to go into my transition area. I really had to pack on this color because you guys could see it's a pretty light color, and yeah, it was not going to show up on my skin if I just put like just a little layer. I really had to pack this color on, but it came out pretty good, y'all. The next color that I'm going to use is Megaglo. I cannot pronounce these shades, y'all, but that is like a really pretty peachy type shade, and that also went into my transition area. And y'all, just a little heads up, ignore my wig, okay? I really, like, y'all, I did not plan on recording this video. I did that first eye, and I was like, y'all need to record this, so I just literally threw the wig on, did not glue it down, right? Like, I just wanted to do this video, so don't clock me for my wig. But the next shade that I'm using is that nice bright orange shade, and this is going to go into my crease but also a little into my transition area. I can't really explain where I'm putting it, but you guys can see it's basically my crease. I like to go back and forth between my brushes and my colors just to make sure that everything is blended. So you're going to see me go back and add the previous colors and blend them out. And that's just a little tip to get a nice seamless blend, you guys. Just go back in with the previous color and blend, blend, blend. That's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm going to take this deep red, and that's going to go into my crease just to deepen up that bright orange shade. And again, I'm going to go back in with my previous colors because it got just a little lost, and to help the blend be seamless. After all of that blending, it's time to cut the crease, and of course, I'm going to be using my Milani 2-in-1 to do this. Just take your time, make it nice and neat. It really does not have to be perfect, but just try to get it neat and get your eyes to look even. I can never get my eyes to look even, so it's whatever, girl. Just cut the crease. So going back into the palette, I'm going to take that nice pretty pink, and that's going to be my lid shade. So I'm just going to add that all over the lids. And you guys, it's something about a matte lid that's just like so pretty. Like I really wish that I would have left it matte, but I needed just a little bit of sparkle or something, okay? Going back into the palette, taking that shimmery black, I wanted to use this just to add a little dimension and deepen up my eye just a little bit. A little trick that I like to do to make my cut creases look sharper is take a small detailed brush and just go around the cut crease with a deeper shade, and that works wonders, you guys. So next, taking that white shimmery shade, that's going to go into my inner corners and kind of blend into the pink just a little bit, just to give it a nice little highlight effect. Here I'm just taking that bright orange shade again and just tapping it into the center and the outer corner of my lid just to give it a nice little blend, and I just love the effect that that gives, y'all. And for my bottom lash line, I'm just taking that black out of the palette and smoking it out, and then I'm going to go right back in with that that orange shade, and then I'm going to go in with the pink as well to finish off my bottom lash line. And to complete that blend, I took that first transition shade that I used and blended that up underneath as well. Then I just added the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara to finish off my bottom lashes. I hate that I'm always so out of frame for lips, but all I did was use a nice purple lip liner. I got this lip liner from a set on Amazon. Then I took the Makeup Revolution matte lipstick in the shade Bow Down and I placed that right on top. To add just a little bit of gloss, I used the e.l.f. lip lacquer in Natural and I put that right on top. I needed a little bit more gloss, so I used the Ulta lip plumping gloss and I just added that right on top to finish off the lips. And you guys, that is the freaking finished look. If you love the way this look came out as much as I do, please be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. We're almost at 900 subscribers, which means we're on the way to 1K. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, you guys. It will really help out a lot. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.